Hi guys, my name is Tony. You're on the Tony Trades channel, and today I'm going to show you a very simple strategy that is based on just one indicator. You might say, Tony, only one indicator? Is that even effective? Well, the answer is here. Of course it is. I always recommend using one or at most two indicators if you're a beginner. If you think professionals use 10 indicators at once, that's not true. In fact, I rarely use more than 3 indicators. You can see this for yourself by joining my free Telegram channel and community, where I host live trading sessions. Come watch how a real professional trades. The link is in the description. Now let's move on to a simple but effective strategy for beginners. Today in our trading session, I'm going to use the Stochastic Oscillator. I add it to the chart. Without waiting for any additional movement, I immediately open a buy trade. What is a stochastic oscillator? This oscillator is displayed in a separate window and consists of 2 curves. The indicator value ranges from 0 to 100%. It includes 2 key levels, overbought and oversold. Their positions can be adjusted, but by default, they are set at 20 and 80. When the curves cross the bottom, it gives a buy signal. When they cross at the top and turn downward, it signals a sell. It's very simple. Right now, we see a crossover at the very bottom, so we open the buy trade. We wait for the expiration time. The trade closed negatively, but I will use the loss recovery system. I open another buy trade. The signal remains unchanged. The stochastic shows a return to the channel range between 20 and 80. We entered the trade a little bit earlier than we should have. This is very simple and intuitive indicator chosen by both beginners and professionals. This is a very simple yet intuitive indicator chosen by both beginners and professionals. It is easy to follow and it provides far more positive results and signals than negative ones. We wait for the result. The trade closes positively. We search for the next signal. I open a buy trade. We now see a crossover in the stochastic. The stochastic lines have crossed, indicating that the movement will go upward. If the blue line crosses the red one from below, it signals an uptrend. If the blue line crosses the red line from above, it's a downtrend. It's better to use the stochastic along with trend indicators to build a trading system. When you add a time filter, you will get more successful results. So, combining several indicators can also help. That's exactly what experienced traders do. Now, the trade closes positively again. We try to find another signal. I open a sell trade. Here's what I see. In addition to the crossover, there was a break below the 20 level. The price moves below 20 according to the stochastic, which suggests continuing the downward trend. I also see divergence, which is another signal to open a trade. This trade closes, and I'll end it here. As I said, the stochastic oscillator is very simple, yet effective too. There are many simple tools that make life easier for traders, but not all beginners are aware of them. That's why I created my YouTube channel and my Telegram communities to show you and more people that learning to trade is not that difficult, especially when you have a mentor like me. If you want me to be your guide into the world of trading, message me directly right now. I'm assembling a group in my private community where I will teach for free. All you need is the willingness to learn. Prove that you're a serious trader by sending me a message via the link in the description. That will be your first step towards knowledge. Thank you for watching. As always, share your thoughts and requests in the comments. I read them all. Good luck and see you in the next video on the Tony Trades channel.